Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is FXGOAT speaking. Yeah guys, on today's video guys, we're gonna be talking more of fundamentals and more of technical analysis. So without any waste of time guys, let us get into it. So on today's video guys, we're gonna be looking at fundamentals, we're gonna be looking at technicals. So what I'm gonna be doing today guys, I'm just gonna be showing you on how to approach the market in more of a fundamental way and be able to also check the technical part of view. So what we're going to be looking at right now is that there is what we call the CFTC report, commitment of traders report guys, and there's also what we call the IG client sentiment report. Those are the things that we always use in terms of the market, in terms of approaching the market in more of like a sentimental trader, because there is what we call a technical trader, and there's what we call fundamental trader, and there's what we call a sentimental trader. So a sentimental trader is a trader that uses fundamentals in line with technicals. So this is the type of trader that uses both tools in a way of confirming if it's a buy or a sell. So what we're going to be doing today is that I'm going to be showing you another way to approach the market with a more sentimental way. So this is what I have discovered while I've been trading for some time. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you on how to approach the market in a more of a sentimental way. So without any waste of time guys, let us get into it. So as you can see guys, I have my Google right here. So what I can do right now is to just go on my new tab right there and type the CFTC report. The CFTC report guys, this is the type of report that normally it's been released on Fridays. This is from the CFTC Commission, the Commodity Future Trading Commission in the US. So without any waste of time, you're gonna be clicking on the link there of the CFTC. So this is how you'll be able to see that we have the Commodity Future Trading Commission, which is the CFTC in the US. So this is more like the data that is being released. This is more of an institutional way guys on how to approach the market. So this is more of reports that are being given out on weekly basis, monthly basis, and each and every time it's been released, you can be able to be that type of a trader who knows what is really happening in the markets. Because what you can, like, I came to realize that if you can actually check the market is moved by fundamentals. So if fundamentals are not there in the market cannot move, you understand? So what we're really gonna see right now is when I'm gonna be scrolling down, being able for you to see that there is more of this data right there. So this is about the CFTC report. So I'm just gonna be able, I had already clicked right there. So I'm just gonna be showing you that guys, you can be able to see that the market right there is looking, this is the very same page right there. So I wanted to just show you when you want to search the Commodity Future Trading Commission. So these are types of report: the supplemental, the legacy report, and the disaggregated report, traders in the financial features. So the legacy reports are broken down by the exchange. These reports have features only report and a combined feature and option reports. So these reports are actually being given out in a way that when you look into supplemental reports, it includes the 13 selected commodity of the agricultural side. These are the things that it's a report that is being taken out in terms of the agricultural side of the US, and also the disaggregated reports are being broken down by the petroleum, the natural gas, and other products like electricity also, and metals. So these are the reports that are being given out on weekly basis and on monthly basis. And we also have the one that we normally know, which is the NFP. That one, it also measures the non-farm payroll, or the unemployment change in the US, how many people have been employed, how many people have are looking for jobs, and what are the intentions of the US, the expectations of the US in terms of hiring more people. So those are the types of the fundamentals that you can look at in terms of the market. So here, guys, is one of the things that I want to show you, which is the CFTC. So the CFTC Commission, you're just gonna be scrolling down. You scroll down, there is what we call different types of exchange. So as you all know that in South Africa here we have the CFT, we have the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, which is the exchange in the South Africa that also caters for South African companies, South African things like the rands and whatnot. So here, guys, we have the different types of exchanges right here. So we have the New York Mercantile Exchange, we have the Commodity Exchange, the Minneapolis Grain Exchange, different types of exchanges. So but there is one specific one that I want us to look at, which is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. This is one of the biggest exchange in the US. So without any waste of time, I want to show you something. When you click here, you come to click on the short format. You click on the short format. This can be actually confusing when you check and go deeper into it. Actually, when you look at this, you can be puzzled enough to a point whereby you can just leave it and say this is too complicated for you to can analyze. But when you are a trader and when you are somebody who wants to go deep in the markets, you can be able to go deep and check what's really happening right here. So these are types of the exchange. We have the milk, we have the non-fat dry milk. So but then we don't want to see those things, you know. So what I want us to do is to just check for what we really want right there. So I have just clicked and searched the GBP. So this is the type of example that I want to use right there. So when we come to the British pound, guys, the British pound, we have the non-commercial and we have the commercial, and we have the long and short and spread. You understand? So on this one we have when I'm explaining the non-commercial, I'm talking about us as retail traders, and when I'm talking about the commercial, I'm talking about the big banks, I'm talking about the hedge funds. So these are the things, these are the people that move the market, which are the commercial type of people that move the market. So we have non-commercial and we have commercial. So commercial is the big banks, people that move the market, and we have the non-commercial, which is us as traders, you understand? So from there we have the long and short, and here we also have the long and short. So you got to look at things that move the market the most. So when you look at the long, of the non-commercial, we have 26,613 people who are buying the the GBP. You understand? So there are many people. There are 26,613 people who are buying the GBP. So, and we have the short people right here who are selling the GBP, which is 105,854. These are the people that sells the GBP. So now the thing that you must look at the most is the commercial part. These are the people that move the market. These are the people that move the market, which are the hedge funds and the big banks. You understand? So when you check carefully here, we have the 201,647 longs. We have the 201,000 people who are selling, who are buying the GBP. So I want to show you something. I will show you this in a way of analysis, in a way of looking at it in that type of a way, sentimental and also like fundamental way, and also the technical way. I'm gonna use the sentimental approach. So in this way, guys, we have the commercial, which is 201,000 people who are buying the GBP, and the short people who are selling GBP, it's 107,303. So this is what I want to show you guys. You can be able to check here how many people are buying or selling GBP. You understand? This is more of an institutional trading. It's more deeper. It's more deeper than you think. So for you not to be confused when you trade the markets, you just need to actually check how the markets are being operating, how the price of how many people are there in certain currency pair. You understand? So I'm gonna show you something again that is way deeper than this one. Also, it's more of something that can be useful again for your trading approach. So also, when you have this right there, you can click on the Google and come here again. This is what we call the IG client sentiment report. These are the types of reports that you can use in the market to be able to check how price is performing. So the IG client sentiment report is actually being published by a certain broker in the US, so which is one of the biggest brokers in the US. But what we need the most is the show in change in position is daily. You understand? So this means this thing is being updated daily. So you understand? So this is very nice when you look at it in this way. So what we really want here is the GBP USD, because when you check on this side, we have the GBP. So I want us to look at the GBP USD, which is the 206,470,000. So this is what I want us to check. We have this greater number, which is the greater one, like this. So this one is gonna be going against us. So the non-commercial, we are not being recognized in the market as such, because people who are moving the markets are the commercial people, which are the hedge funds, and which are the hedge funds and the big banks. You understand? So from this one, you can be easily going to the client sentiment report, which is now easily to spot. When you check here, the GBP USD, it's 70% bullish, 70% bullish, which is in line with what? Which is in line with the CFTC report, the one that we just saw right there. So when you check here, there's the IG client sentiment report, it gives us 70% people who are there. So it confirms with us that there is more bullish people who are buying GBP USD. So without any waste of time, we're just gonna look at the different pairs right here. We have different pairs that you can actually take note of, and you can actually be able to analyze and be able to check your technical and check your fundamental analysis, and be able to see what the market is holding for you that day. So the report of this IG client sentiment report is being updated daily when the market is running, and also the COAT report is being given out on Fridays. Each and every Friday, 11 o'clock CAT, the market, the CFTC report is being released by that time. So it actually been released for the next week, you understand? So which means when we check this sentiment report, and also when we check the CFTC report, this is the report of last week, you understand? This is the report of last week where it was showing us that this week we're gonna be experiencing bullish momentum on GBP USD. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, that we are expecting more bullish momentum on the GBP USD trade, on this pair actually. So from here guys, you're gonna be able to see that we have the bullish sentiment report here. And also when we want to check GBP USD, let us quickly go to the technical part of the trade to be able to see if now the technical side of the market, is it really showing us that there is more bullish momentum that is going to occur, you understand? So let us quickly go to our trading view. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my trading view now. Let us quickly analyze the GBP USD. So as you all know guys, we actually going to look at how the market is looking like right now. So when we start to analyze the market, we just gonna mark your low. This is our fundamental and technical view of the market. So when we analyze the market, we just gonna simply, our lowest low, we mark our highest high. This is our GBP USD from the daily time frame. So after doing the marking your lowest low and your highest high, let us quickly check. We have this zone right there. So this previous zone, it was bullish, and now price started to bounce above and went to the upside. So when we check to the current market price, the market right now, it gives us some sort of a bullish structure. So this is more like a reversal pattern type of formation. So when we check right there with the daily time frame, we have another zone right there. So I'm gonna be marking my nearest zones. So we have the beautiful pattern that is printed right there for us for GBP USD. So from the daily time frame, you can be easily seen that price has been going with some sort of like an impulse and a correction and impulse. This was our impulse, then our correction, then more impulse to the upside. So right now we are expecting more price to shoot to the upside. So when we analyze our market right now, we can be easily to go to spot that price is giving us an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So on our inverse head and shoulders pattern, we can be able to spot that we have another high there, we have another high there. So for you to be able to spot that the market is easily going to your direction, and you can be able to see that the market right now, it has printed a beautiful downtrending channel right there, which is something that you can be able to spot right now. So with the GBP USD trade, we have the inverse head and shoulders pattern on this side. You can easily mark your neckline right there. So we had this beautiful correction, the downtrend, price went to the downside, and now price started to correct and give us a break of structure. When you check right there, we had an impulse break of structure, came up to test this level right there, and now pushing to the upside. Right now we are above this support. When the price bounces and create a break of structure right here, now we have a beautiful support right there. So when you zoom in right now, you can be able to see that the market is giving you a clear support that now from here I'm gonna shoot to the upside. So without any waste of time, guys, we can be able to see that for GBP USD we are looking for further bullish momentum, since the market has given us some sort of like a zone right there. So as you can see, guys, we have this strong bullish structure from these levels. We have a strong bullish structure from these levels. You can be able to spot that the market is looking bullish to the upside for the next coming move. So GBP USD, it's a buy, guys. For me, GBP USD is a buy because the structure right now confirms a buy. So you can be able to spot that from here. This is going to be our next target in the future. We are going bullish, guys. We are going bullish on the next coming target. This is going to be your first TP. This is going to be your second TP, and this is going to be your third and fourth TP. So the market is going bullish. So as the market is going to be going bullish, you're just going to be scaling in when the market crosses above on this zone until that level right there. So guys, this is what I actually wanted to actually show you, that even on the stop loss side you can be able to minimize your losses by putting your stop loss below this zone right there. So without any waste of time, guys, we're gonna do more analysis in terms of the market. I'm gonna be showing you exactly on how to spot these beautiful setups in terms of making sentimental and technical, mixing sentimental analysis in line with our trades. So you can capitalize from the market by looking at fundamentals first and going back again to our technical to confirm what you have seen, if the market is telling the truth or not. So with this way, guys, you can be able to spot nice setups and make your good profits in the market. So without any waste of time, guys, we have come to the end of our video. This is going to be a nice trade that you can capitalize on. So I hope to see you guys soon. We're gonna be able to catch again. Please comment on the comment box below. Tell me what you think about the video that I've just made right now, and tell me what you really want me on the next video to do. So I'll be glad to hear your response on the comments below. So do click to get our FXGOAT 3.0 pre-sale course. So do make sure that you pre-sale it with 100 USD right now and secure your spot. The time we launch our 3.0 pre-sale, we're gonna be flying, guys. We're gonna be having a great mentorship with us. Do catch us on the next video. Please subscribe below. Do click at the notification bell when I'm gonna be dropping a new video. This is FXGOAT, your mentor, signing out, guys.